Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add HTML code onto your main Mailchimp mail. So, first off, you'll have to go from the home page here and you'll have to go on the create section on the button here. Just click on that and then you will have a couple of options here like regular mail, automation, and also landing page. But the thing we want to do is click on this design email. Click on it and you can just close out of this and there'll be a couple of fields you can fill out here, like the to, the from, the subject, the send time, and the content. The thing we want to modify is the content here. So let's click on design email. And from here, you'll have a couple of templates you can use. But of course, since we want to use HTML, we'll just click on this, code your own. Now, there'll be a couple of options like paste in code, import from URL, and import zip, right? Once you click on any of these, a window will pop up and you can paste in your HTML code straight into Mailchimp. But I should say that to use any of these features, you need to pay a subscription to Mailchimp. So if I click on this, for example, you see that it'll bring up the subscription to upgrade my plan, right? Right now, I'm on the free plan here, and I can't use a custom HTML code. You'll need at least the standard plan here to use HTML code. See, a custom coded template. This is the one we want, and it's only available at the standard plan of $20 per month. And it's not available in the essentials plan of $13 per month. You can also do a premium one, but it's significantly more expensive at $350 per month, right? And also from the subscription, you can see a lot more details here, like this users is unlimited if it's premium, and also five seats, but if it's 5 seats only if it's standard. There's also customer support, there's personalized onboarding, there's productive segmentation, and there's a lot here, right? You can find out more about the subscription here. You can also just click on this buy now button if you want to buy the subscription, so you can use the subscription right away. But you do need this subscription to add in a HTML code into Mailchimp.